Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox on the website or official app. Make sure you use the exact account that made the purchase. Once logged in, open Settings, then go to Billing or Transactions and choose Purchase History. This is the one place that lists every paid action tied to your account. Keep the approximate purchase date and item name in mind because the list can be long. Using those filters speeds locating the exact entry and the purchase details you need. Once you find the purchase record, click it to reveal the receipt, which shows the transaction ID, Robux spent, seller, and timestamp. Copy the ID if you might contact support. Then immediately check your inventory under Collectibles or Avatar Accessories so you verify the item actually appears in your account. Make sure the seller matches the receipt and that the Robux deduction equals the listed price. These cross-checks prove whether the item was delivered, purchased as a bundle. If the item doesn't show after checking both receipt and inventory, refresh the page, log out and back in, and then recheck purchase history. Sometimes the change needs time to sync. If still missing, take screenshots of the receipt and inventory, note the transaction ID, and contact Roblox support with those details. As a quick fix, clear browser cache or try another device. Many apparent missing purchase issues are UI or cache problems rather than lost items.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.